So you want to find your niche on YouTube. My name is Darwynn from Channel Hero, and in this video, we're going to look at what we love and what we're really good at in order to discover our niche. But before we start with that, there's something really important you need to remember. Once you've chosen your niche, it's important to understand that you'll need to create content regularly, like every day. But we'll come back to that towards the end of the video. Now picture waking up every day to do the job you love. Back in the day, I began a YouTube channel, and at first, I was posting around 10 videos every month. But as time went on, it dropped to about 5 videos in the next month, and eventually, I was only making about 1 video each month because I wasn't having fun with the content anymore. Then it hit me that if I want my niche to be something I really enjoy, I should start by making a list of the things I love to do. Now, you're really good at many things, but there are a few things where you're not just good, you're amazing. Now, it wasn't until I discovered a YouTube channel called The Lead Attorney that I truly understood the incredible impact of creating content based on your experience, accomplishments, and career achievements. It turned me into an instant expert in my niche. Think about it. Who could be more trustworthy to talk about marriage and divorce topics on YouTube than someone with 20 years of experience as a divorce attorney? And that's when I realized I needed to write down everything I was skilled in, especially my work experiences. Now, let's think about why it's important to pick a niche based on your ability to create content every day. Picture this. Your YouTube channel is all about microphones, and you review the latest, greatest, and budget-friendly options. You can easily whip up a video because you already own a few of the latest microphones. But then a new trending microphone hits the market, and you realize you don't have the money to buy and review it. This is when you understand the importance of choosing a niche that allows you to stay consistent. Anyone who can hop on YouTube and help others can make money. But when you do it with your passion and skills that you're already great at, it's a game changer. You know, there's affiliate links, sponsorships from brands, and plenty of other chances. So when you check out your list of things you love and are good at, pause for a moment and see which mix could possibly bring in some cash, or it's already doing so. Now that you've discovered your niche, it's time to design your own logo, grow your subscribers, become a topic expert, and master creating eye-catching thumbnails, titles, and hooks. All these skills will help you edit and share your video with the world. But wait, before you dive into all that, check out this video that'll walk you through each step of creating your very own YouTube channel.